Well, what do we have here? Hello everybody, this is Ariane Arsenault. Welcome to my workshop, welcome to my YouTube channel. You can subscribe if you are new and if you like handmade soap. I am here today for an unboxing from a supplier that I really like working with. It is Alex from Custom Craft Tools, and she sent me this huge box, and it's, you know, the holidays are right around the corner, so I'm super excited. It's like a big Christmas present. Just as a disclaimer, everything in this box has been gifted to me in exchange for a review and to experiment with her material and then give you my thoughts and my experiences with the molds and tools that they create for soap makers. So the name of this business is Custom Craft Tools, and in this box, Alex custom made a mold for me. She can pretty much custom make anything for anyone, but this one was designed for me. It is available on their website though, but I've been telling her about this dream slab that I've been wanting for years, and she made it. And if it's your dream size, if it's your dream slab, you may find it in there, and you can go to the customcrafttools.com website and it is listed. I'm super excited. I cannot wait. Let's open this box. So here, this is actually something I already owned. It is the Caterpillar, and I will show you a side-by-side in a couple minutes. The Caterpillar is a cutting station that is designed to split logs, cut soap bars. It can cut soap horizontally and vertically, and it has multiple wire heights which you can adjust, which is amazing. And Alex redid the Caterpillar for me because I make big slabs of soap, and in the past the Caterpillar I had would tilt when I was pushing my big slabs of soaps through it, and now the problem is fixed. Here we go. The pièce de résistance. You guys, meet the Goliath. Wow. Woohoo! Okay, I need to move the box. All right. There are two beasts in this box. Come closer. How sweet. She gave me a little spatula. You can never have too many of these. Spatulas, must have. Okay, so let's... Voila. This is my previous Caterpillar. As you can see, it looks identical. However, the feet under have been redesigned to better adapt for longer soap slabs. Okay, so you can see, if I put them side by side, that these little feet here are further away, so it should not tilt anymore when we push the soap through the cutter. I now have two Caterpillar cutting stations. I don't have that much room in my workshop. I don't need to, and you guys, I'm so happy to be giving away my old Caterpillar. It can cut slabs the size that I make. You just need to be a little bit more flexible and go catch it when it, you know, comes off. And I really want another maker to be able to benefit from this one. So I'm doing a giveaway. I will set up a link. You can find it in the description box below, and you can win your own Caterpillar, slightly used by me. And yes, so all of the details with the giveaway will be in the description box, so make sure to check that out. Yay, giveaway time. Okay, now let's move on to the Goliath. So here it is, the Goliath. This is the standard model that is on the Custom Craft Tools website. This one has a little bit of a lower cost, and then the other model that I'm going to show you in just a minute was custom made for me in a clear material. Everything's going to be clear, see-through, side to side. And we have a 14 by 16 inch wide soap mold with removable sides for easy handling. And all of this is made with HDPE plastic, which is very easy to wash in warm water. And then the silicone liner. I cannot wait to pour a soap into this soap mold. I am so excited. Now let's open the other one. I'm just gonna put this back here. So this is like the cover for insulation, which you don't actually need to use. I don't always insulate my soap, especially when I have high tops. So, okay, put this aside and bring the other one. Look at this beauty. You can't really see like the transparency right now because there's a protective film on the plexiglass. Let's try and remove some of it so that you can see how see-through this thing is. It is transparent. Hello. And then this is a very thick, I guess it's acrylic or plexiglass. I don't really know what it's made of exactly, but it's transparent. And you'll see that in just a second. It's bouncy. It's a bouncy mold. Wow, did you look at that? You can't even see the mold anymore. It's transparent. Okay, now I'll try and assemble this thing back together. And we'll see how easy it is to. You guys see it? I can barely see the mold. Ooh, ha. Voila. And here it is, you guys. The Goliath. It's a slab, and I am so excited to try this soap. To try this mold, this soap mold. It's so cool that you can see through it. Look at that. Look at that. Hello. Meet the Goliath. Now, I noticed a couple of features are different between the transparent version and the regular Goliath. So this one has handles, but they are located in different places, and I find this very ingenious. The handles are right here. There's a little indentation right here in the plexiglass that allows you to grab it from underneath the table and move it around, which I find is really cool. Also, let's pull this. Yeah, there we go. So they both come with an insulation cover that you can or cannot use depending on what you're doing, what type of soap that you're making. Voila! And the reason why I wanted to have a completely clear soap mold like this is rather simple. I make a lot of demonstrations, and I found that having a clear mold would allow people to see what's happening from all angles. So instead of having an opaque mold, when I pour, people will be able to see better everything, both on camera and in store, because my workshop is open to the public here, and people sometimes walk in and I'm pouring soap. So with this mold, they will be able to see like everything. So if I plan some events, I want to make a live soap making session, I can use this mold, and everything I think will be much more easy to see. While when you make lots of productions and you line up all of your soap molds, it's fine. Like, I mean, I don't need a clear mold, but I wanted one. Thank you so much, Alex, for making this come true. Alex has been working on this prototype for like months, and I could say even years. I've been bugging her for years. So I'm really, really, really grateful. It comes in a perfect timing in my life and in my business. I'm really happy. And then, as you can see, this one, the features are a little bit different. Oh, and another thing, there are lines that mark at every inch on both of these molds. Let's take a closer look at this feature. So I'm just going to remove the cover, but you can see that there are marks at every inch on both sides, which is nice because it visually helps if you want to put embeds or if you're doing a special design and you know where you're going to cut. Now, one thing that is different, like the size are the same. One thing that is different with their classic peach silicone liner, because this is their like signature color. They have other molds in other sizes with this peach silicone liner, which I find really pretty. So this one, you can remove the sides, which is not possible with the clear version. And the handles are on the sides here sticking out. So this is the main differences between the two molds, but the inside and the end result, the final soap that will be made with it, is exactly the same. So there you have it. You've seen it all. That is all for today, you guys. It's late. I'm not gonna make soap tonight, but my next batch of soap will definitely be in these babies. I am super happy. I'm really thankful, and I cannot wait to make a full review of using these molds, so putting them into soapy action. And let me know in comments, what would you prefer? Opaque with peach liner, or pay a little more to have the extra transparency 360 degrees? Let me know which type of molds do you prefer, and I will see you guys very soon. Make sure to follow me on socials. I'm super active on Instagram and TikTok, so make sure to follow me there as I post content almost daily. I do take a break sometimes on the weekend, but I try to post daily, at least 4 or 5 times a week on my other social media. And yeah, thank you so much. You take care, and I will see you guys very soon. Thank you again so much to Alex over at Custom Craft Tools, and don't forget to pay them a visit. They have so many molds, but if they don't have what you need, they can make it for you. So, and don't forget the giveaway with the caterpillar. Okay, enough chit chat. Bye-bye.